Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very long time ago, like a month ago, I had decided to do some book reviews and some giveaways on books that I've read. Well, I had a giveaway and I've yet to announce the winner or pick a winner. So this is the book that was up for grabs. It is called The Danger Box. And I do have some people that wanted to win this book. Not very many, so your chances are pretty good at winning this book. And for those of you that don't know, there's a website called Book Mooch, BOOKMOOCH. It's completely free to join. If you have a lot of books, what you do is you post 10 books that you want to get rid of. Each, for the 10 books, you get 1 book credit. I think that's how they get you started. And you can mooch a book from another person. And they pay for the book to ship to you. Then, if someone mooches your book, you pay to ship the book to them. That's how I found out about media mail, which many of you may know. Media mail is actually a lot, well, it used to be a lot less expensive than regular mail, USPS media mail. So it shouldn't be that much to ship a book. Nowadays, it might be a little more than what I used to be able to ship the book for, but it still should be less than the regular mail. So that is just a heads up for the cost of shipping, plus the website bookmooch.com. So every time somebody mooches a book from you, you get a free credit to mooch a book from someone else. If you just want to get rid of your books, you don't have to request books from other people. Just go ahead and post them on the website. You pay to ship them though, but it'll make somebody happy if they're, readers of books like this and not Kindle, okay? Also, of course, there's the public library you can always donate books to, schools you can donate books to, but I enjoy the Book Mooch. I really do. That way people can select the books they want. Hold on just a moment. Little Brooklyn thinks there's someone out the door, and there's not. Okay, let's see if she's done. Nope. Hold on just a moment. Every time I go to push stop on my recording, she stops barking. So I think she's done. Brooklyn, are you done? Okay, but I do like Book Mooch the best because people can actually request a specific book and they don't just get a pile of books that they don't know what to do with. Anyway, but I've decided to do giveaways on books that I've read. So the Danger Box, up for grabs. These people in here have decided they wanted to enter the giveaway. Nicole, would you like to pick my winner for the Danger Box book? All right. Let's see who won. It is, do I need to get my glasses on? No, I don't. It's Amy. It's Amy Weber. So Michael Weber, Amy Weber, same person. Well, not the same person. Michael Weber is, I guess, her husband, and she uses her husband's YouTube channel name. So Amy, you won the book. And I know that Amy watches a lot of my videos, but not all of them. But I will try to get a hold of you, Amy, somehow, because this has been so long. So if you do not watch this video, I'm not going to hold it against you. I will try to find you myself through YouTube. Maybe I'll go to your husband's YouTube channel and tell him to let you know that you won a book. I don't know. I'll try to figure it out. But if I can't get a hold of you within maybe 3 or 4 days, I'll go ahead and draw another winner because I do want to get these things out in the mail. And I also have, from a while back, I did a Goodwill haul with some mystery bags, and I had some little girls' necklaces in them. And I know of 2 people that wanted me to send a necklace to them for their granddaughters or whatever, and I have not yet done that. I want to do it all like in one big shipping. So shipping the book, shipping the last giveaway that I just recorded, and the necklaces to the people that wanted them. So try to get a hold of me as quick as you can, and I'll try to get a hold of you too. Thank you everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you can, please like this video. No, that is a thumbs up. Please subscribe. That would help. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.